COVID-19 Combat Challenge Quiz Competition. A COVID-19 based talent hunt, prizes worth rupees 25,000, presented by Delhi Technological University. Quiz will be conducted online on 3rd July 6:01 p.m. IST till 3rd July 9:01 p.m. IST. Treasure hunt round will be taken place on a self-funded website 4th July 12:27 a.m. IST till 4th July 11:12 p.m. 11:27 p.m. IST. All that you need to know about this, it is a competition organized by Roundtable Delhi Technological University DTU. Are you a quiz and virtual hunt enthusiast? Then you can participate. You have to know a lot of information related to COVID, but are you aware of facts? We'll bring to you an interesting 2-round COVID combat round. Registration deadline 2nd July 8 p.m. First round COVID awareness quiz 3rd July 2021 Saturday 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Second round COVID based virtual hunt on 4th July Saturday. Round 1 quiz, team size individual. Quiz window 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Quiz duration 15 minutes. Total questions 15. You can move to next question only after attempting the current question. Question browsing is disabled in order to restrain unfair means. There's no negative marking. Candidates will be shortlisted on basis of cutoff score. Qualifying candidates will be sent an email by our team to attend a second round to be held next day. Platform Dare to Compete. Website. Round 2 virtual treasure hunt. Candidates qualifying for first round will get an email from Roundtable DTU. All the details regarding the challenge will be provided in email. Prizes and vouchers, gift vouchers worth rupees 25,000 will be given to winners and many lucky winners. What are the important dates and deadlines? 2nd July 8 p.m. IST registration deadline. Quiz on Dare to Compete website 3rd July 6:01 p.m. IST. 4th July 2021 12 a.m. IST treasure hunt round. Winner will receive Replit Hacker Plan access worth rupees 3,000 and Task-a-Day lifetime upgrades worth rupees 4,500. First runner-up, second runner-up, and many participants will also receive such things. All participants will receive a Replit Hacker Plan access worth rupees 1,500 and Task-a-Day 1-year upgrade worth rupees 4,500. Participation certificates for all. Now let us see the next quiz competition. This is an exciting competition. Mela, that is music, entertainment, literature and art. Prize is worth rupees 13,000 INR. Prelims on July 10th 12 p.m. Finals on July 10th 6 p.m. Team size 1 to 2 members. Even individual participants can participate. Updated on 24th June. Eligibility: engineering students, MBA students and undergraduate. Region: India. Mela quiz stage and timelines consists of 20 questions about Mela. The top 6 teams qualify for finals. The final round will be conducted on Zoom or Meet with the top 6 teams who qualify for finals. The Mela quiz competition is eligible for up to 2 members who are an active student up to post graduation at the time of participation. There will be 20 objective questions in prelims round to be answered within 20 minutes, which will start at 12 p.m. Finalists will be directed to join a WhatsApp group once they are informed about Section 2 finals. Prize worth rupees INR 13,000 will await more winners. Lone wolves and cross-allowed teams are allowed. For more details, see the website, Facebook and Instagram. What are the important dates is given here. If you want to see the more details, please pause or make the speed 0.25, 0.5, etc. The stake is and of rewards and prizes. Top 3 positions will win 13,000 rupees worth gifts and goodies. All participants will receive e-certificates. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Special thanks to Kavita sir, collaborators and social media partners. See you in the next video.